Hello, Soul Tribe. Welcome to Soul Tribe PH. It's me, Anna, your certified international life coach and tarot and oracle card reader. So, if you want to avail my services, tarot reading, or coaching, kindly go to my website www.anasantiago.coach. And please do follow me on all my social media platforms: Instagram, Facebook page, and TikTok, and also here in YouTube. Hello, Soul Tribe! Welcome back to my channel. It's Soul Tribe PH. It's me, Anna, your international life coach, tarot and oracle card reader, an energy healer, and now a podcast host. So for this particular video, we will be having your monthly zodiac sign reading for the month of May. This is for my dear Leo, Sun, Moon, Rising, Ascendant, Venus. For those na hindi pa nakakapag-generate ng kanilang natal birth chart, I suggest to generate yours. Kindly go to the description section. May link there that can help you generate your natal birth chart. Kailangan lang yung date of birth, time of birth, and also the exact location where you were born. And if you happen to have Leo as your rising/ascendant sign, this is your reading. Kasi based on an article na nabasa ko, it's best for us to look into our rising/ascendant sign for accurate readings. So without further ado, my dear Leo, let's get you your angel number. Might be there is a certain message or this is the confirmation of your reading. Angel, Spirit, Universe, Ancestors, kindly give me the angel number for my dear Leo. So we have here 11. Wow! 11, 1, and 8. Wow, this is a very powerful. And I also have 12, 12 on the side. So very powerful itong numbers mo, my dear Leo. We have here, I'm going to make this as a 2, 2118. Kindly go to Google search engine, search angel number 2118 as a confirmation or might be there is a message for you na kailangan mo malaman with those particular angel number. Might be you're seeing a lot of 111, 11, 11, 11, 222, 222, 21, 21, 18, 18, and 888, and also 12, 12, as I've seen kanina dito. So, there are a lot of angel numbers, my dear Leo, for you. Naaring you had been bombarded by the universe with so many angel number recently. And also, I'm drawn to the 7 dito sa gilid. 77 also can be a number as a confirmation of this particular reading for you. So let's see what are the energies that you are going to welcome for this particular month. Before I proceed with the 3 cards that you had seen in the teaser, proceed muna tayo. Ano ba yung general theme or energies of your life for this particular month? My dear Leos, what will be the focus of your life for the month of May? Angel, Spirit, Universe, Ancestors, kindly give me the general energies for my dear Leo for the month of May. Angel, Spirit, Universe, Ancestors, kindly give me the energies. So for this month, we have here Neptune. So my dear Leo, something about your dreams, something that you had been dreaming about, wishing about, hoping about is probably the focus of this particular month for you. Maaring recently you had been having vivid dreams, very realistic na dreams na merong mga symbolism na pinahayag sa'yo. So probably pay attention to your dreams starting from now on, my dear Leo. Might be there is a certain message for you na kailangan mong pagtuunan ng pansin na it is being communicated sa iyo ng universe through your dreams. And also something about what you had been yearning about, ano ba yung pinapangarap mo, what are the certain hopes and aspiration that you have, might be it will be manifesting in your reality this particular month. But probably you will be working on that para ma-achieve mo yung mga dreams mo, mga pinapangarap mo. So for this particular month, or currently, the Empress. So kumbaga parang what you had been investing, maaring you had invested time, energy, intentions, goal in a certain situation, and you are waiting for it to come to fruition. Kumbaga iniintay mo na lang yung due date, my dear Leo. So you are waiting to give birth or waiting for that new beginning to come to fruition, what you had been dreaming about. So for some of you, you are expecting pregnancy for this month, or you will be giving birth to a new opportunity, or you will be entering a certain cycle that will be abundant. So for you to be able to welcome this certain abundance, kailangan mong i-leave behind old mindset, old habits, old things na hindi na nakakatulong sa'yo. And this is requiring you to have patience and trust the process. And it's time for you to ground yourself with the world here. It's time for you to ground yourself Be at the moment, focus on the now, try to appreciate, be grateful, thankful on what you currently have, what are your progress, what are your current achievements. So maging appreciative ka, try to recognize ano na ba yung naging progress mo, what have been your growth so far. My dear Leo, this is the time for you to focus on that. And for some of you, you are having a hard time committing and learning the lesson that is provided by every obstacles, challenges, people, relationship that you had encountered. Remember, lahat na na-encounter natin in our life, my dear Leo, everything happens for a reason. Nothing is a coincidence. It's either a blessing or a lesson for you to learn. For you to level up to whatever you wanted to manifest into your reality, you need to learn everything, take the insight, learn the lesson from everything that you are encountering. Same thing in game, di ba? In a game, mobile game, di ba? Before you level up to the next level, you need to overcome the very hard test or very difficult obstacle. May kailangan kang pagdaanan that you needed to overcome so that you will be able to achieve the outcome. It's like climbing stairs. So you cannot get to the outcome, you cannot get to that certain light at the end of the tunnel if you're not going to climb the stairs. Same thing sa kung ano yung gusto mo mangyari sa buhay mo, my dear Leo. You need to be resilient, trust the process on how things are unfolding, and along the way, there are lessons for you to learn. So, yun yung nagiging obstacle mo, my dear Leo, kasi might be for some of you, you are getting impatient, probably getting too attached to the particular outcome that you are neglecting the process or the journey that you needed to take for you to achieve the outcome. So remember, the important thing is not the outcome, it's not the destination, but the process on how you will be getting to that certain outcome. So what you needed to do for this month, it's time for you to be clear. It's time for you to visualize, imagine, ano ba yung gusto mong mangyari with your love life, career, your finances, or life in general. So it's time for you to speak up, set the intentions and the goals on how you will be achieving the certain outcome. So stop wanting to know the when and the how, focus on the why. Why is everything happening? What is the lesson that I needed to learn or what we needed to learn from every people, situation, mindset that we had encountered? And also, what are the patterns that we needed to break na maaring it had been a repetitive pattern na you had been experiencing? So let's see, let's clarify the Empress. What is this certain abundant cycle? What is this certain abundant cycle coming the way of my dear Leos? So universe is telling you to trust the process. So karmic lessons. So before you achieve the outcome, before you welcome the new beginning, there are karmic lessons for you to learn. What do we mean by karmic lesson? Nakatadhana ito. It is meant for you to experience, for you to learn the lesson so that you will be able to sustain kung ano man yung paparating na outcome. Kasi if you will not be able to sustain, kumaga ngayon pa lang sumusuko ka na, right there and then you're just going to give up. If you will not be learning the lesson on what are the obstacles that you are encountering now, those certain obstacles, challenges that you're encountering, whatever that you're going to learn from it, you will be needing it for you to sustain kung ano man yung possible outcome, possible cycle that you are entering. So, it's time for you to learn the lesson that is provided by those certain circumstances and learn to trust the process on how things are unfolding in your life. It might not be the time frame that you had anticipated it, but it will be falling into place in its perfect timing. Same thing in giving birth, di ba? Pag pinanganak mo ng maaga yung baby, if you gave birth to the baby, it's premature. So sometimes nagkakaroon ng complication when it comes to those certain time period. So same thing in what we wanted to manifest. If it comes early, it's going to be premature. Maaring you will not be able to sustain it kasi you haven't learned the lesson that you meant to learn before you achieve the certain outcome. So lessons have to be learned. You need to trust the process on how things are unfolding. It's not based on your timing, it's God's timing. So as of the moment, what you needed to do is be grateful, focus on the now, stay present, don't get too attached to the particular outcome or the particular future, surrender, detach, let go. So mag-focus ka kung ano yung dapat mong gawin. Take one step at a time. Okay? So, bakit Hierophant ang obstacle? Why is the Hierophant the obstacle? Angel Spirit. Kasi nga, you are needing to heal. So, if you're just going to get the outcome, skip to the good part without learning or encountering the process, you will be not be able to sustain it. As I said earlier, you need to focus on healing from certain wounds, traumas, issues that you have na might be it's also the thing that you needed to address so that you will not be bringing it to the new reality or to the new outcome, the new beginning that you're going to start. Kasi if you will not going to address those certain traumas and issues, you will be bringing them to whatever new beginnings that you're going to start. So, kailangan mo siyang i-address. You needed to heal from those certain things so that you will not be bringing it into the next cycle that you will be starting. So, it's time for you to give yourself the kind of love, care, value, respect that you deserve. It's time for you to nurture yourself. So, it's time for you to be open and ready for the different possibilities on the horizon. And other than giving away all of your time, love, and effort sa lahat ng tao sa paligid mo, it's time for you to give back to yourself. Give to yourself the nurturing, the love, the respect, the value, the acceptance that you had been giving away to everyone else other than yourself. So, why is it the Queen of Swords? Yung outcome. Why is the Queen of Swords? Kasi nga, you are dwelling on the negativity, fear, doubts, or you are obsessively thinking about the outcome, thinking about the future. So, universe is reminding you, stop obsessively thinking about the what ifs, the outcome. Focus on what you needed to do as of the moment. It's time for you to come to realization, visualize, imagine what you wanted to manifest in your reality and set the intentions and goals. Kasi nga, the reason why your judgment is clouded, kasi universe is telling you mag-focus ka ngayon. Try to focus your attention to the things that needs your attention. So try not to focus on the distractions, the kumbaga no movement, no progress. Stop worrying about it. Focus on the things that needs your attention. Okay, so for your career, my dear Leo, what are the energies that you're welcoming with your career? Angel, Spirit, Universe, Ancestors, kindly give me the answers for the career of my dear Leo for the month of May. What are the energies of their career, work life, business life for the month of May? Angel, Spirit, Universe, Ancestors. So, you intuitively know, my dear Leo, you intuitively know that you are welcoming certain things in your life, but universe is telling you to be open and ready for the different possibilities. Don't get too attached, don't get too far ahead with the future. And also, universe is reminding you that it's time for you to nurture yourself. Maaring you had been focusing on nurturing other people around you, prioritizing them, giving them all of your time, love, and energy, that you are neglecting yourself. Though this is the time for you to honor yourself. It's time for you to nurture yourself. It's time for you to parent and mother yourself. So what is the obstacle when it comes to your career? What is the obstacle? So might be for some of you, this is a time for you to take care of your health. Probably you had been focusing on prioritizing your work. Might be you are neglecting your health. So this is the time for you to take care of your health. Kasi nga, you are conflicted. So that is the reason why you try to focus on other people, kumbaga focus on giving them all of your time, love, and energy, not thinking about yourself. So it's time for you to take care of yourself also, nurture yourself, be open and ready for the different possibilities. Don't get too attached to the particular outcome. Focus on the why. Kasi the more that you're focusing on wanting to know the when and the how, the more that you'll end up unfulfilled and unsatisfied. So universe is reminding you, just be open and let things flow, fall into place naturally. Kasi the more that you're wanting to control the outcome and the outcome will not turn your way, the more that you'll end up unfulfilled and unsatisfied. Okay, when it comes to your financial situation, my dear Leo, what are the energies that you will be welcoming for your financial situation? Angel, Spirit, Universe, Ancestors. So it's time for you to be confident with yourself. Probably creative idea, a new creative project that will be coming your way, but you had to be enthusiastic about it. Have that belief in yourself. Maaring you are having doubts with regards to the opportunity na dadating sa'yo that will be another source of income. You are doubting that you will be able to fulfill it. Maaring you are not confident with yourself. So this is the energy that you needed to work on when it comes to your financial situation. It's time for you to be confident of your skills, your talent. You are capable of achieving that certain abundance. Kailangan mo lang magtiwala sa sarili mo. You need to trust and believe in yourself that you are capable of doing that. You are capable of achieving that certain abundance. Okay? So it's time for you to believe in yourself, my dear Leo. Kasi might be you are having doubts regarding a certain opportunity na makakaya mo bang masustain yun? Will you be able to fulfill it? The task that is required to you? And you are not totally kumpiyansa or hindi ka nagtitiwala at naniniwala sa capability mo. It's time for you to believe in yourself. You had to be the first one to like, love, accept, and cheer on. Be your number one fan. Be your number one supporter, my dear Leo. Ikaw dapat ang maging number one supporter mo, number one fan mo. Okay, so what will be the obstacle that you will be overcoming when it comes to your financial situation? What is your obstacle? What is your obstacle? So, ang obstacle mo is learning from the past. Or maaring you are too dwelling in the past. You dwell too much on what had happened in the past. So, remember, everything happens for a reason. Nothing is a coincidence. It's either a blessing or a lesson for you to learn. And okay lang naman na tignan mo yung past. It's okay to look at the past, but make it a point that you are using it as a reference on what you needed to change and what are the certain things that you needed to pay attention to. So, there is no use going into the past kasi the past is already written. You cannot change it. Hindi mo na yung mababago. The only thing that you can do is focus on what you needed to do as of the moment. Take the insights, take the learning from what had happened in the past when it comes to your financial situation and apply the changes in the now. Okay? So, when it comes to your relationship, love life, regardless if you are single, if you are in your self-love, self-care journey, healing journey, soulmate, twin flame, marriage, boyfriend, girlfriend, what are the energies that you will be welcoming with your love, your relationships? So, Three of Cups, celebration, you will be celebrating something, or it's time for you to be at the moment, focus on the now, be grateful, thankful of who you are, and what you currently have. Don't compare yourself to others. So if you're in a certain connection, if your person had chosen other people over you, it's time for you to know that it has nothing to do with your value and your worth as a certain person. It's not you, it's them. So if your person, for those who are in a certain connection, had chosen a third party interference doesn't have to be laging tao. It's not always a person. It can be friends, family, it can be the work itself or mismong the person itself, your person, because they feel that they are not worthy, they are not good enough, they are not capable enough. So they self-sabotage. So whatever actions and decisions that your person had done to you and your connection, it has nothing to do with your value and your worth as a certain individual. So what is the obstacle that you needed to overcome? So learning the lesson, we have here the world. So learning the lesson. So you are in cycles with your persons, with your person. Or for some of you, you in a certain connection, you made your person your world. Ginawa mo, mundo mo yung person mo, umikot yung buong buhay mo with your person. So remember, how you are treating yourself, loving yourself, valuing yourself, and respecting yourself is how you're going to receive it from others, not the other way around. So the more that you are focusing on other people, prioritizing them, putting them first, making them your world, making them part of your every decisions and your actions, so you are basing on them for your actions and decisions, you are telling the universe on how they will be doing it to others but not to you. Why? Kasi kung paano mo tinatrato yung sarili mo, how you are treating yourself, loving yourself, valuing yourself, and respecting yourself, is how you're going to receive it from others, not the other way around. Kasi you're the one who's going to set the standards, my dear Leo. So it's time for you to focus on appreciating, recognizing, and celebrating yourself. Nurture yourself, love yourself, put yourself first. So let's see what are the oracle guidance for you, my dear Leo. What is your oracle guidance? So oracle guidance, TikTok. So might be you are getting impatient with what I am saying with the TikTok. You are getting impatient. You are wanting to control the outcome, wanting to control the time that it needed to happen right here, right now. So time is only an illusion. We don't control the outcome. Hindi natin kayang kontrolin the outcome. The only thing that we can control is our own decisions and our actions. So you had your own free will on how you will be using your time. So, nasa yun, kung sasayangin mo ba yung oras mo or you're just going to make it productive. So, it's time for you to be mindful how you spend your time. Are you just going to spend your time just giving all of your time, energy to everyone else other than yourself? So, it's time for you to invest in yourself. Invest the time, the effort, the energy towards yourself. And might be, if you're getting impatient, this is a sign that it's coming. It's coming your way, but there are certain things na kailangan mo pang iwanan. There are certain things, people, situation, mindset that you needed to leave behind first before this certain new beginning comes. Kasi hanggat you are holding on, clinging on to those certain mindset, people, relationship that no longer serves your highest good, you will be stuck in a certain loop or cycle. Okay? So you need to let go, detach yourself from the outcome. Don't get fixated. Don't get too far ahead in the future. Focus on the why. Why is everything happening? What is the lesson that you needed to learn? So let's get you your angel number, angel messages, angel number and angel messages, angel spirit universe ancestors. So we have your, wow, number 18 ulit. So we have your number 18. I am kind-hearted. You are both open-minded and open-hearted, and your ambition is to leave this world better than you found it. Ensure that your goals are aligned with the collective need and with the highest good of all. So it's time for you to be open and ready for the different possibilities on the horizon. Huwag kang maging attached to the particular outcome. Focus on the why. Focus on why things are currently happening. What are the patterns? What are the lessons that you needed to learn? So let's see what is your affirmation, my dear Leo. What is your affirmation? What is your affirmation, my dear Leo? So I am stepping into the unknown and welcoming the unexpected. So it's time for you to surrender, let go, stop wanting to know the when and the how, focus on the why. Detach from the outcome. So just focus on living life as it is, living life day to day. Okay? So, wag kang maging attached sa outcome. Mag-focus ka sa kung paano ka magiging productive other than worrying about when will it happen, how will it happen, at kailan siya mangyayari. Okay? So, this is what I got for your reading, my dear Leo. If you happen to resonate with this certain reading, do let me know in the comment section. And don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. And don't forget to click the subscribe button and the bell button for you to get notified of my latest updates here in my channel. And if you want to avail my services, tarot and coaching program, kindly message me on Instagram or Facebook page, Coach Ana Santiago, Soul Tribe PH, Tarot for tarot reading services, and Coach for coaching program. Or you can go directly sa website ko, www.anasantiago.coach. This is what I got for you. Sending you much love and light. Bye-bye!